Hello second class kids, today we are going to learn computer. So take out your computer book, lesson number 2 page number 14. Okay, lesson number 2 page number 14. इससे पहले हमने 11 to 13 पेज पे रीडिंग की थी. अब हम पेज नंबर 14 से रीडिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, बैंक्स बैंक एम्प्लॉयज यूज कंप्यूटर्स to maintain the particular and account of their customers. Computers are used for withdrawing money from ATMs, automated teller machines. Okay. Computers are used for paying and receiving cash and checks. It is also used for updating all accounts transactions. ओके, कंप्यूटर का यूज़ बैंक्स में होता है. ठीक है, किस लिए होता है? एटीएम में भी होता है. ठीक है, उसके बाद विड्रॉ मनी करने के लिए एटीएम में कंप्यूटर का यूज़ होता है. फिर बैंक्स में पर्टिकुलर अकाउंट्स एंड कस्टमर को वो मेंटेन करने के लिए. ठीक है, हॉस्पिटल्स. नेक्स्ट है हॉस्पिटल्स. डॉक्टर यूज कंप्यूटर टू कैरी आउट सर्जरी. कंप्यूटर आर वेरी यूजफुल फॉर diagnosing many disease. It is also used for preparing medical reports. Okay, next है airport and railway stations. Okay, at airport and railway stations computers are used for doing reservations and cancellations of ticket for passenger. रिजर्वेशन करवाने के लिए, रिजर्वेशन को कैंसिल करवाने के लिए. ठीक है, Computer help us to know the time of arrival and departure of trains and flights. Computer help keep track of location, speed and directions of trains and aeroplanes. Okay. Fact to know: reservations means advance booking in trains, buses, aeroplanes and hotels etc. Computers are widely used for this purpose. Okay. In designing, engineers use computers to design car, aeroplane, other machine. Architectures use computers to design building, house and flyovers. Computers are helpful for designing advertisement, animations, movies and a lots more other things. Computers are used for designing clothes, shoes etc. In publishing, computer का use. In publishing, computers are used for printing newspaper, magazine, books and pamphlets. Computers have helped in designing and printing these books which you are reading just now. In scientific research and defense, scientists use computer for launching and controlling satellites, rockets and missiles. In scientific research and defenses, scientists use computer for launching and controlling satellites, rockets and missiles. Scientists use computers for doing research, designing robots and forecasting weather. Scientists किस लिए यूज़ करते हैं? सैटेलाइट्स, रॉकेट्स एंड मिसाइल्स को लॉन्चिंग एंड कंट्रोलिंग के लिए. फिर वो इसका यूज़ करते हैं रोबोट डिज़ाइन करने के लिए, फॉरकास्टिंग वेदर्स. ओके, पॉइंट्स टू रिव्यू. एट स्कूल computers are used to prepare report cards. A computer help us complete our homework. In bank, computers are used for maintaining records for all customers transactions. Doctor used computer to diagnose many disease. Scientists use computers to carry out research designing robots and forecasting weathers. Key terms. Next part है key terms. Stocks. They supply of goods. ATM. Automated teller machine. Automated teller machine and electronic machines that enable us to withdraw money from it. Device and equipment designs for doing a particular jobs. Okay, next summative assessments. अभी हम बुक एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. ओके, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस. टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस. ओके, which one of these cannot be done on a computer? Writing letter, playing games, hair cutting, none of these. आप इनमें से कौन सा है जो कंप्यूटर पे नहीं कर सकते? राइटिंग लेटर्स, लिखते हैं हम. प्लेइंग गेम्स, खेलते हैं गेम्स भी. हेयर कटिंग तो होती नहीं कंप्यूटर पे, इसलिए हेयर कटिंग पे आप टिक करोगे. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, हु अमंग दीज यूज कंप्यूटर्स टू प्रिपेयर मेडिकल रिपोर्ट्स? टीचर, डॉक्टर्स, इंजीनियर, स्टूडेंट्स. डॉक्टर्स. कौन मेडिकल रिपोर्ट्स प्रिपेयर करता है? डॉक्टर्स. Dash are the messages sent through computers? Emails, letters, items, none of these. Emails. Okay. A computer helps us to withdraw money from dash. CPU, STD, UPS, ATM. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks with the help of clue given in the box. Accounts, disease, homework, research. First, a computer helps us students in doing their homework. HOME, home, WORK, homework. Computer helps doctor in diagnosing many disease. DISEASES, disease. Scientists use computer for doing research. RESEARCH, research. Bank employees use computers for updating all accounts. ACCOUNTS, accounts. Okay. Next part, write true and T for true and F for false statements. Okay. An engineer use computer to carry out researching. False. Okay. A computer is useless for an architectures. False. Next, computer assists in the reservation of tickets. True. Computers play vital roles in the designing process of advertising. True. Okay, understand? Thank you.